Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start with the preparation of picric acid and its chemical reaction. Now see the structure of picric acid. Picric acid, structure of picric acid is like that. Which is a 2,4,6 with respect to the OH. This NO2 is at 2 position, this NO2 has 4 position, this NO2 at 6 position. Therefore 2, 4, 6 trinitro phenol. Its commercial name is picric acid. Picric acid. Now how it is prepared in the laboratory? It can be prepared by the different methods in the laboratory. Then now we see the different methods of preparation of the picric acid. Which are these methods? First is the nitration. First is the nitration of phenol by using the nitrating mixture, in which the phenol is taken as a raw material. Phenol. As OH group is the ring activating and ortho-para directing. The electron density at ortho and para position is more because of the electron donating nature of the OH and ring activating nature of the OH. And we take the mixture of concentrated H2SO4 plus concentrated HNO3, that is a nitrating mixture. From this nitrating mixture, there is a formation of a nitronium ion as an electrophile. This nitronium ion shows the reaction with phenol as an electrophilic aromatic substitution, and it forms a 2,4,6 trinitro phenol. 2,4,6 trinitro phenol, which is our product. 2,4,6 trinitro phenol, that is picric acid. This picric acid also can be prepared. It also can be prepared from the phenol by a sulfonation process. By a sulfonation process. By a sulfonation process. This is a sulfonation of phenol. That phenol, this is the structure of phenol. When it undergoes into the sulfonation with concentrated H2SO4 as a sulfonating agent, it forms a mixture of ortho and para hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid, that like this SO3H. This is a ortho hydroxy benzene ortho with respect to this SO3H. This is ortho hydroxy. This is a benzene sulfonic acid. Ortho hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Another isomer is the para hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid, OH. This is the SO3H, which is a para hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. This mixture upon treatment with concentrated nitric acid, which undergoes into the nitration process. The mixture undergoes into the nitration. It forms a picric acid, that 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, NO2 which is a picric acid. This is our final product of this reaction. This is a phenol, concentrated H2SO4. This is a mixture of orthohydroxybenzene sulfonic acid and para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid, which upon treatment with concentrated HNO3 gives picric acid. Then picric acid also can be prepared from the salicylic acid. From the salicylic acid. From the salicylic acid. Then let's see the structure of this is the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. This salicylic acid upon nitration with fuming nitric acid, fuming HNO3, gives a product that is 2,4,6-trianitro phenol. Then from chlorobenzene also the picric acid can be prepared. When we consider the structure of chlorobenzene, this chlorobenzene upon nitration with concentrated nitric acid it forms a ortho-nitro and para-nitrochlorobenzene. This ortho and para dinitrochlorobenzene upon treatment with NaOH it forms a ortho and para dinitrophenol. Ortho and para dinitrophenol. This ortho and para dinitrophenol reacts with concentrated HNO3, that is nitric acid. It gives two 4,6-dinitrophenol. As OH group is a ring activating, it increases the electron density at ortho para ortho position. NO2. NO2. This is NO. This is a picric acid. Picric acid. In this way, the picric acid can be prepared by the different methods. Now, how this picric acid reacts with the different reagents? Now we see the methods methods of chemical synthesis. That is the chemical reactions of the picric acid. How it reacts with the different reagents. Then this picric acid OH NO2 2,4,6-dinitrophenol NO2 picric acid. When reacts with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5, this is a chemical reaction. These are the chemical reactions of picric acid. Phosphorus pentachloride. It forms a picryl chloride like structure. Cl, NO2, NO2. This is a picril chloride. This is a picril chloride. Then the picric acid reacts with amines, aromatic hydrocarbons. It forms a picrates by the charge transfer complex, by the formation of charge transfer complex. See how the charge transfer complex is formed. This is a benzene, which is a electron rich species, acts as a donor. When it reacts with picric acid, this donor donates the electron to this acceptor, that is picric acid, by the charge transfer complex. As it is electron rich, it is a electron deficient, because there are 3 electron withdrawing group attached over this benzene ring. Therefore, the electron density of the ring is decreases and it acts as an acceptor. Therefore, it can accept the electron from the donor compound, that is from the benzene. This is a charge transfer complex, formation of a charge transfer complex. This forms the first type of structure, OH, by donating this. This is a picrates. This is a donor. This acts as a benzene acts as a donor, and this picric acid acts as an acceptor and forms a picrates. That is a charge transfer complex. Charge transfer complex. Then naphthylamine